Silver continues to see a lot of noisy behavior. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XAG, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The silver market has been noisy during the trading session here on Wednesday as we are hanging around the $47 level. The $47 level, of course, is an area that has been important multiple times, and I do think it's probably only a matter of time before you see buyers on dips. That being said, I'd be watching the 50-day EMA, which is near the $45.86 level, for support. If we were to break down below there, then it's possible that we could see a much deeper correction. We are possibly in the midst of forming some type of head and shoulders pattern, or we bounce and go sideways. Going sideways would be the best case scenario here due to the fact that it is just the market working off some of that excess froth without actually doing damage to anyone. In other words, people are starting to accept the idea of $48 an ounce for silver, and then you have the situation where eventually somebody wants to own more of it and it gets pushed higher. The $50 level has been crucial multiple times over the longer term, and with that being said, it's likely that traders will continue to see this as a volatile situation, and of course a market that is this volatile is one that you have to be very cautious with your position size due to the fact that you can take a lot of damage very quickly if you're not cautious. If we do break down below the $45 region, I think at that point in time, the trend's probably over and we go much lower. I have thought for a while we may have seen the highs in silver. That still looks to be the case, but if we can break back above $50, then you have to re-question everything.